once again, and today we're going to learn the phonics sound of the alphabet. Are you ready? So let's get started. Let's begin with the letter D. D. This is the uppercase D, and this is the lowercase d. Can you tell me again the name of the letter? Good job! And the sounds of letter D is D, D, D. Can you say the sounds of letter D again? Once again? Thank you. Good job. And these are the objects that begins with letter D. D. Dog. D, d, dog. Dog. D, d, deer. D, d, deer. D, d, deer. D, d, door. D, d, door. D, d, door. And our next letter is letter E. E. You have to smile. E. This is the uppercase E, and this is the lowercase e. And the sound of letter E is E. 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 Can you tell me again the sound of letter E? Once more. Good job. And these are the objects that begins with letter E. Egg. 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 Elf. 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 Eraser. 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 And our next letter is letter F. 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 This is the uppercase F, and this is the lowercase f. Can you tell me again what is the name of the letter? Again? Good job! And the sound of letter F is Can you say again the sound of letter F? Again? Good job! And these are the objects that begins with letter F. Fan. 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 Farm. Farm. Fire. 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 Alright, let's review of what we have learned today. Let's begin with the letter D. And what are the objects that begins with letter D? Those are dog, d, 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 dog, deer, d, d, deer, d, d, door, d, d, door. How about letter E? What are the objects that begins with letter E? Yes, it's egg, egg. The other one is elf, elf. And another one is eraser, eraser, eraser. How about letter F? What are the objects that begins with letter F? Those are fan, fan, farm, farm, and the last one is fire, fire, fire. Good job. Don't forget to follow my channel and subscribe for our next topic next week. See you. Bye.